In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your property maintenance business. If you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with MultiSites, welcome to our YouTube channel. MultiSites is the fastest way to launch a simple website for your small business. You can literally have something ready in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month. There is a free trial available. And the great thing about the free trial is you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Let us know how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website on the MultiSites platform for our property maintenance business. Once you've signed up and put in your email address and your password, it's going to ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from on the MultiSites platform. However, if you've just come across this video and you don't even have a property maintenance business, you have another side hustle or small business that isn't quite listed here, do let us know and we will add it as we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the top here and search for property maintenance and select that template. So let me go on to the top here, scrolling through all our different markets to choose from. And I'm going to go ahead and search for property maintenance. Let's go ahead. And there is the templates. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Now, MultiSites is going to ask me a few basic details about my property maintenance business. I'm going to put all the details in. I'm going to put in my company name and my city or my region, and it's going to go ahead and literally generate a one-page website for me and do all the hard work. It doesn't matter where in the world you are located, you can use the MultiSite service. I'm going to go ahead and select service for the type of business and click on continue. Great. So now MultiSites is doing its thing. And there we go. It's literally generated a one-page website for me. All I had to do was put in a few minor details, basic information, and look at that. There's my one-page website. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you to make your life as easy as possible. We understand running a business is tough and hard work, and it needs your full dedication to it. So we wanted to take all the hard work out of the website, and that's exactly why we've designed the service for you. So all the content is pre-written. Images are pre-selected for you, royalty free, free to use, no licensing required. However, if these images and this content just doesn't work for your business, that's completely okay. You can amend it, and I'm going to walk you through it today. Walk you through each section on how you can update it, how easy it is to use the service. You don't need to be a website designer. You don't need to even hire a website designer. You can literally do it yourself. I'm going to walk you through each section just to give you a little bit of a look and feel of how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the top on update section. I'm now going to put in my email address and click on show email on site. That will now be displayed in the top right hand corner of my MultiSites. It is clickable. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number. And again, this is click to call, so my customers can click on it and be taken directly to my their phone app and give me a call. Let's go ahead and put in an address. And let's go ahead and put in a postal code. So now this on the left hand corner at the top, it is clickable. So when our customers click on it, it's going to directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. It's really convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And now I'm going to move on to the social media links. I'm now going to put in MultiSites Instagram account and Twitter. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you, any other features you'd like to see. We'd love to hear your feedback. And then there is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. If we've missed any other social media platforms, please let us know and we will add them. The social icons are now displayed in the top right hand corner, and your customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to your social media accounts to give you a follow, engage, and see what you're up to. So let's make sure we save that and move along. Great. So now perhaps these colors used throughout the website that have been pre-selected for you just don't work for you in your branding. Perhaps your property maintenance business has a logo and the colors selected throughout your branding is completely different. It's not this beige and brown, very neutral, but perhaps that just doesn't work for you, these colors that have been used. You don't need to know color coding. You don't need to be a web designer or web developer. All you need to do is click on this button over here, the paint bucket, and it will take you through various different color palettes you can choose from. So all we need to do is literally click on it and see what works best for us. Um, I'm going to go ahead and let's see that one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select that one. Um, that looks really, really great. And if there is any other color palettes that you wish to see, we are adding more every single week. But drop us a comment if there's a specific branding color that you need on your Multi Sites website. We will be happy to add it. Great. So I'm now going to move on to the next section over here. I'm going to click on update section and head to update logo. Now, perhaps you don't have a logo. You've just launched your property maintenance business. Congratulations for starting. I wish you and your business mighty success. However, if you don't have a logo, that's completely okay. We can just have our name displayed here as Marty Sites would have it. It still looks really professional. However, you can browse from your device and upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it over there and click on save. You can make it bigger and smaller by resizing it over here. However, I think that looks absolutely perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and move on to the next section. Now, as I mentioned, pre-written content, images are pre-selected just to make your life as easy as possible, make the websites creation process as smooth as possible. However, if you want to update it, we can head over to update section and update the image here. Now you can browse your device or your computer and upload your own pictures to suit your business needs. However, you can search photo library and see what comes up over here. There are hundreds of different images to choose from. No licensing required, royalty free, completely free to use, no fees involved except for the $9 a month for your website for multi sites. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one and save that, select photo and save my image selection and close. And look at that. I really like the look of that. It looks really professional. Again, if this text content here just doesn't work for you, we can click on update content and change that to suit our needs. Another thing is our button, we can link to various other places. So let's change the button text. Let's say view our rates. And over here, we can click on choose link. We can link to various other places on our Marty site. So perhaps you wanted to link to the lead form at the bottom, which I will get to in just a minute. However, you can link to another website. Perhaps you have a calendar link you want to link to so people can set up appointments for you. Otherwise, you have the option to click to call, directions, or click to email. And one of my favorite ones is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file with just a little bit more information of what your property maintenance company can handle, what the different services you offer are. You can upload it as a PDF file here. So when your customers click on the button, it will directly take them to it. Let's go ahead and save all of that and move along. Now, on to the next section, again, pre-written for you. Just need to click a button update section to amend it to suit your business needs. And then on to the next section. Now, here we have an about us section. Here you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, what made you come into this industry. Give your customers a little bit more information here. And again, image can be amended by clicking on update section here. Now, another great image, very professional looking, doesn't look like it's been taken on a mobile phone, very high quality, pre selected for you. If you want updated, you can browse from your device here or search from the photo library. Over here, we come onto our service section. This is where you can put a little bit more information of the services you offer. Perhaps you offer rent collection, evictions, you handle the process, property marketing, stuff like that. Go ahead and drop it in this section and amend the picture to suit your needs or leave as is because it works well. And here we are onto the last section, the form get in touch section. So over here, your customers can submit a form. And a lot of times we are getting asked at Mighty Sites, once our customers have filled in this form, where does it go? How do I find it? I have no idea where to find the form once it's been submitted. That is a really great question. So you will get notified via email about the leads coming in through this form. However, you can find them as well in the site dashboard. So I'm going to take you over in the second. Let's just take one more look at our Mighty Sites website that I've literally gone through. I've built it. It took me a couple minutes, all customizable or editable. Everything's pre-written, pre-selected for me, but I can change it to suit my business needs. Only $9 a month, really affordable, but there is that free trial available. So do click on the link below and give it a try and just see how it works for you and your business. So now I'm going to go to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard, and over here is where I can find my leads from that form that I just showed you at the bottom of your Mighty Sites page. And then another frequent question we're getting asked, can I link my custom domain? Absolutely, you can link your custom domain at Mighty Sites. We're all about professional looking websites, and with a professional website comes a custom domain. So you can head over to the site dashboard over here and click on connect domain. If you're struggling, take a look at our YouTube tutorials on how to do that or our blog posts over at www.mightysites.com. Can find other helpful information on marketing your business. However, if you are still struggling connecting your domain after watching the tutorials, you still can't figure it out, drop us a message on social media or drop us an email and add us as a user, and we will literally do the whole process for you. We will link it, do all the hard work for you. So there we go. I've literally created a property maintenance business website in a couple minutes. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And don't forget the thumbs up and to let us know how you're enjoying the service, what we can improve on, what features you'd like to see on the website. We'd really love to hear your feedback.